Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 file explorer is opening slow. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the start menu right click, go to your task manager. After opening that, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Here is a Windows Explorer. Click on Restart button. Okay guys, after restarting that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Right click on Start menu and click on Run option. After doing this, that copy the command from video description and paste it and click on OK button. Now after opening that, select it all files and right click on delete all files. If any file is running, nothing. Okay guys, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that go to your this PC and click on a download. Right click, go to your properties. After opening the properties, go to your advanced options. After doing this set, allow files this folder to have contents indexing in addition to file properties. Uncheck it. After unchecking that, click on OK button and click on apply and click on apply changes to this folder, subfolder and files. Click on OK button and click on OK. After doing this step, once again right click, go to your properties and after properties tab go to your customize. After customizing that, make sure that selected the journal items and click on apply and OK button. Close it. I hope to have your problem fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can go to your once again this PC. Sorry, go to your search box and type indexing options. Open indexing options. After doing this tab, go to your advanced options and click on a rebuild. Click on OK to rebuild it. After that, click on close and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this tab, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube.